Let me go.
Hi
Like,
guys.
what's good, everybody? It's your boy Tita Matosh back with another
Banger.
What's good, everybody? It's your boy Tita Matosh back with another video. Like I said before, you know, I don't vlog unless something special is happening. Tomorrow, I'm going back to Maputo. It's gonna be crazy. I've got a few stuff planned with my brother. A brother of mine in Mozambique. We're going to be spending some time doing some special things. It might be an entire week full of stuff. Yeah, it might be an entire week full of stuff, and I can't wait. I will not say what I'm gonna be doing, but we will see in the vlog. See you guys tomorrow. So I'm going to be funding my trading account with 5,000, and I'm going to be teaching somebody how to trade in Mozambique for the whole week. So let's hope this 5,000 changes into something else. I haven't traded live in a long time. I think the last time I lost was like 5,000 something in January, and I told myself I'm not going to trade again until I get to the position where I'm at right now in the company that I'm working for. So I'm back. I'm going to be trading this account. It's not right now, it's on Binance, but I'm going to be funding my trading account with it, and I'm going to be taking that laptop over there and go to Mozambique with it, and I'm going to be trading from Mozambique. So that's it. Good morning. So right now it's like 5:30 in the morning, and I'm traveling with some brothers, actually a brother and a sister from my church. They're Mozambican, so they have to rush to Mozambique early morning. So right now I'm going to where they are to meet up with them, and then we go together to Mozambique. I have my luggage over here, and like I said, that this week is going to be a crazy week because I funded my account with 5,000 rands yesterday for trading, right? And yeah, I'm gonna be trading this week. You guys. Yeah, so let's go. Anyways, I need to call some guys at the border to arrange stuff to do with my passport, and then yeah, let's go. Okay, we are in Maputo. We have arrived. I'm gonna be here for the next 5 days, and hopefully we have some fun in the next 5 days. Okay? I hope we have some fun in the next 5 days. I think it's gonna be amazing. I have to learn Portuguese this time around. Please. But anyways, see you guys. Hey guys, so it's day 1, Monday, trading session, and I'm looking at, of course, US30. So I'm just gonna show you what I'm seeing, and then we'll see how it comes out, right? If the setup manifests, it does. So right here, what I'm seeing is a raid above previous day's high over there, and then closure below or inside the range. This gives me a bearish bias for the day, because this is candle 2 close bearish. I'm trading candle 3, expecting it to come all the way down, take out this low, right? Take out that low and enter into this fair value gap over here. So after that, I'm going to 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I want to see a market structure shift bearish, right? If you look up here, see price came all the way down. Market structure shift is confirmed already. So since I'm already bearish on the daily time frame, my expectation is that all these lows be the target. And another thing that I noted here is price has been pushing since the AMs into this fair value gap here. So now we're in that, and we took out this high, I think it's London high, took it out and closed back inside. Now candle 3 is what I'm trading also here, expecting price to push down to take out these lows eventually. So I go to the 5 minute. On the 5 minute, I want to see market structure shift bearish. Yes, we have one here. Price pushed, take out this low, now push up and then rejected. So expectations is something like this, going short in these areas with a stop above this high and expecting price to give me a 1 to 2, something like that, expecting price to do that and eventually push all the way down into these lows. That's what I'm looking at, but I'm gonna wait for 3:30 to show up. Instead of just taking the trade now, I will wait for 3:30. This low here, what I'm waiting for actually at 3:30 is for price to take out this low as well, confirming bearish. But even this one is already proper, we already have a rejection and stuff like that, but it might happen price pushes all the way up, but this is already a good setup. I love the 15 minute time frame. We've got swing high, which I think it's a settled high, like price should not go above that high, and we've got a clear break of market structure bearish, like below this. Since I'm already bearish from the higher time frame, price drops. We've got a fair value gap in here. I've taken my short. Let me just take it here as well. Take my short over there, let it load. Yeah, put my stop at this candle's high over here and expect price to drop to take out this low. So that's a trade right now. So I took my first trade. Still setup is still valid. Expectations price to drop into these areas here eventually, right? And we are bearish for today. And on the 1 hour time frame, I was looking for market structure shift bearish. You can see we already shifted structure from these highs over here. Now price pushed into this and went above it. We stepped into this and pushed all the way up, back up, but still in my mind I'm still bearish. So this fair value gap over here is what price actually pushed into. On the 15 minute, I saw this this as a market structure shift, but right now looking back at it, it was not really proper for that to be a proper market structure shift. What's coming now is probably the market structure shift. I use this as a high price push into this fair value gap over here. I started pushing back up, but since I'm bearish, I think I was supposed to leave this to run like that and then wait for market structure shift bearish from there. But on the 1 minute, price pushed all the way up and take out these highs. Anticipation is still bearish, so I took my first trade, my first sell in here, and I got taken out at this high. Now I'm in another trade here. The moment price went up into this and then closed bearish, I just took my sells on this area with my stop at this high. Over here, and right now I'm in profits. Same lot size actually, I took the first trade at 0.25 lot. I'm currently 400 and something in profit, and this is the trade. My stop is at this high because I believe that high should be protected, as in like we will not go below it. And this is let's go like this. Let's go. This is the trade I'm in. My stop is at this high. Expectations is for price to really drop. I don't know why am I lying. So looking at this, still expecting this high to hold, and if price is to take out this low, that will be, it will have created a new high, and that will be the area where I can put the stop, and it will continue bearish if that's the idea that plays out for this setup. So it's like I started trading at 3, 4, 5. It's like 2 hours later, and I'm still in the trade. First trade I took a loss, and then I took a second trade. Now that second trade I've broken even, and I have another price action within the same direction, which has allowed me to put in my second entry towards the direction of my daily time frame bias. So I kind of love it. Let me just show you. This is the trade setup I'm in. Right. My stop at first was somewhere above this. Right, and I've been holding. Price came down. We went back to break even, and you see this major push down over here, and it allowed me, this major push down breaking below this allowed me to put my stop at break even just somewhere above here, and push down here. Leaving me with a favorite gap in here where I took my third trade, but because I've already covered the first one, that's why I managed to take this one as well. I took another sell, same lot size, another sell over there, put my stop at the break even point of the first trade. So I'm still within the 1k stop range for the day, and hopefully closing today, price will be down. Hopefully by the end of the day, price will be all the way down. That's the whole point. This is the current trades I'm in. I took sells here. You can see my second sells are in losses. The first trade is in profit. And hi guys, so I've been holding on to this trade since 3 p.m. Since around something to 4. And what I'm telling myself as I go through this trade is I want price to tell its story to the fullest. Like I'll go back to the daily, right? On the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I looked at this high and realized, okay, we closed Friday bearish, so my expectations are for price to continue to go down till this area here down there, right? That's my expectation. So going into lower time frames like the 1 hour, I was saying myself what I'm expecting price to do was to shift structure bearish, which we did up here. See, we took this high out and then we closed below this, so we're already in a market structure shift bearish, and price had to discount to go back a bit to the premium side. That's this move here is what took me out on my first trade, because I thought, and I took that trade before before 3:30. So the move for 3:30 New York Open is what took me out, and then I entered my second trade right here when price started pushing down from here. I took my second trade right there, and it's been consolidating, but I didn't take out my position because at the back of my head I'm still like, price has not invalidated the whole setup, is still on, and I'm still expecting these lows to be taken out, and this area is the low point. Or I've decided to close the trade. And we could have get on the phone. I'm in Mozambique, and this is day one, and I've decided to close the trades that are coach to the soul. I've decided to close the trades that I was on because number one, it has made more than my daily target, because in a day I'm trying to risk 1,000 rand in order to like make. I'm risking 1,000 rand in 2 trades in order to make maybe 1 to 2, 1 to 3. So I risked 500 the first trade, and I got stopped out. And the second trade I risked another amount of around 400, and I didn't get stopped out, and I also got an opportunity to scale into the trade. This trade setup might continue to go and take out all those lows, but when I look at the profit that it has already made, I closed a total of 1,700 something rands, right? 1,700 something rands. I covered the loss of the first trade, plus I made profit of 1,100 rand today. I think I have to be grateful and close those trades for the day. So I had to close the trades for the day, because that's quite enough. And don't worry about my safety. God is protecting me. So I had to close those trades, and that wraps up today's trading day. And I closed a profit of 1,100 after I called them 2 trades, because the first trade was a loss, the second trade was a win, and I got to scale into the same setup with the same risk. I only scaled into the trade when my first trade was already at break even. So it was only 2 trades today that I took and closed 1,100. Here's the thing, now that I've closed 1,100 profit, I usually would be tempted to go back, look at the charts and stuff, but it's already past my trading hours. The idea and the goal is to forget about the charts today up until tomorrow around the same trading time, right? So I'm gonna wrap it up here, and I think I should upload this vlog over the weekend. I'm not gonna upload this vlog now, because if I do, I'm going to be under a lot of pressure. If I upload it, I'm gonna be under a lot of pressure from high. Filmar who?
As they come from Mozambique.
Someone decided to talk. Yeah, so I decided to close the trade right there, because I made enough, and tomorrow is another day, and tomorrow I'm trading with somebody. So discipline is all it takes. This was a beautiful trade. I didn't think I would make 1,100 just today, so I'm grateful. See you guys. Oh, I was saying that I will not upload this vlog today on Monday as day one in Maputo, because I will be under a lot of pressure to try and keep up with a series. So it's better when I upload it at the everything is done and I upload, so that's gonna be better. So thank you.